My name's Jake McKay. I'm the general manager here at Dulcich Sons in Delano, California. We have over 6,000 acres of table grapes we produce. From red, green to black, all seedless. They're big, they're crunchy, they're sweet, and they're the best grapes that money can buy. So the receiving area is where we receive fruit from the field after it's been packaged. It gets wrapped with film, and then we offload it into our cold storage. California summers get extremely hot, so we wanted something that would provide some airflow, not only for our forklift drivers, but also the pallets of grapes that we store there short term before they enter the cold storage. The new packing facility that we built this year is going to house our new packing line. That's going to allow us to control weights, control quality, and to ship out the grapes faster than they would be if they were packaged in the field. Peter and I decided that we needed some high quality large fans for the areas to help with moisture control while we were packaging the grapes. With Entrematic, I worked with Dan from start to finish, and I felt like I was more important to him than any other customer. It was easy to go to the website and to see the design of the fan. Also liked how they had videos where it showed the airflow and how the fans would operate. It was amazing to see the fans once we had them going, how much airflow they created, whether you were underneath them, to the side. It was awesome to turn them on after installation and see what a great product they were. I would highly recommend Entrematic fans to anyone in the ag industry. It helps with moisture control, it controls the airflow of the room, and all those are benefits for not only table grapes, but for other commodities as well.